Very good morning, children. Today we will be starting with the next chapter, that is permutation and combination. One of the interesting chapter in mathematics, and it has less mathematics, more of our basic knowledge, what we do in our day-to-day life, what we see in our day-to-day life. Okay. So in this permutation, first we'll see what is called as fundamental principle of counting. And fundamental principle of counting. Okay. Suppose you are planning to go for a movie and you are very much confused about wearing, if I talk about boys, wearing a t-shirt or wearing a shirt. You are planning now what to wear. So when you started planning, you came up that you have t-shirt or you have shirt. You have t-shirts of three colors, red, green, blue suppose, and you have shirts like plain, you can have checks or you can have flowers. Okay, we only have two shirts. Now it is for sure that you are going to wear any one of them. So if I start counting the number of choices you have, how many choices you have how many choices you have of wearing a shirt or t-shirt to go for a movie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many choices you have? 5 choices. Out of 5 choice, any one of these you will select and will go for a movie. Correct? So here, out of these two varieties, any one you will wear. Either you will wear this or you will wear this. Correct? So when I talk about, there are two varieties. One variety has m choices. T-shirt have 3 choices. Then other variety, that is shirt, has n choices. And out of these two, I will be selecting any one. Either I will wear a t-shirt or I will wear a shirt. Then I say it is fundamental principle of addition. We call it as fundamental principle of addition, and that is nothing but 3 plus 2, 5. That is either m t-shirts or n shirts. So fundamental principle of addition says that it is always plus, because either of the two I will be choosing. So my answer is m plus n. Here it was 3 t-shirts plus 2 shirts, that was 5. Understood? Fundamental principle of addition. Now next we have fundamental principle of multiplication. Fundamental principle of multiplication. Okay? Fundamental principle of multiplication. I will take a well-known example from your textbook itself. Okay. Now suppose I am throwing a party and I am planning to give your ice creams, and I have given you 2 varieties. Okay. Right now it is risky to eat ice creams in pandemic, but after once everything is okay, we can think. I have given a variety of cup and cone. Again cup I have given you 2 variety. One is vanilla, other is butterscotch. Okay. Then in cone I have given you chocolate. You can have pista flavor. Then you can have strawberry flavor. Okay. Now I have told you that you have to eat ice cream, and I have not applied any condition. You can eat cup also, you can eat cone also. So how you can do that? Tell me. Yes? Correct? So how many possible ways you can eat the ice cream? Here there are total ways that is two ways. Correct? There are two ways of choosing a cup and three ways of choosing a cone. Sorry. There are three ways of choosing a cone. Correct? So what about this now? There are two ways of cups, three ways of cone. And I am eating a cup also and I am eating a cone also. I have told you all that आपको cup भी खाना है, आपको cone भी खाना है. Means you have to eat both, cup also and cone also. So what can I do? I can choose vanilla chocolate, I can choose vanilla pista, I can choose vanilla strawberry. Three cases. I can also choose butterscotch chocolate, butterscotch pista, butterscotch strawberry. How many cases I have? 6. So here my fundamental principle of multiplication, since there is and, मुझे cup भी खाना है and cone भी खाना है. So cup की variety कितनी है? 2. And means multiplication. Cone की variety कितनी है? 3. So there are 6 choices. I can eat cup and cone. I have 6 variety of options, out of which one option I will choose of eating ice cream in cup as well as a cone. This fundamental principle of multiplication. Yeah, and मतलब multiplication and it will come or. Whenever you see the word or, it means a plus sign. Okay? Yes? Okay, let us start with the exercise 3.1 from your part 2 textbook. Okay, 3.1. A teacher wants to select the class monitor in a class of 30 boys and 20 girls. So if I say there are 30 boys and 20 girls and teacher wants to make a monitor, in how many ways can the monitor be selected if the monitor must be a girl? It has now decided by default the monitor must be a girl. So how many girls we have? 20 girls. So we'll write number of ways of selecting a girl monitor. A girl monitor. How many girls are there? 20. Out of those 20, any one can be the monitor. So it will be 20 ways. What is the answer? There are 20 choices available for teacher to make any girl as the monitor. Okay? In your textbook, the answer given is wrong. Okay? Second, a signal is generated from 2 flags. I want to make a signal which is made up of 2 flags. This is one, this is second flag. By putting one flag above the other, if 4 flags of different colors are available, there are 4 flags. So 1, 2, 3, 4 flags of different colors are available. How many different signals can be generated? Now, if I talk about signals, you cannot have both signals of same color. So what can I say? First flag of signal can be selected in how many ways? Out of these four colors are available. Out of these 4 colors, I'll select any one. So for the first flag, how many choices I have? 4 ways. How many ways? 4 ways. Since we know that both cannot be of same color, so second flag of signal, whatever one color I have chosen, I will not select that. So out of 4, any one has kept here. So how many are left now? 3. The second flag can be filled by 3 ways. Correct? Therefore, total ways, since I have to fill both the flags, इसको भी color करना है, इसको भी color करना है. That is and. So 4 3s are 12 ways. Orally भी कर सकते हो. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Go on doing, you'll get the answer as 12. Okay. Third one, how many two-letter words? I want to make a two-letter word from the letters of the word space. When repetition is allowed. First case बोला है repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed मतलब I can have S S P P A A C C E E. So first case repetition is allowed. So now see this box can be filled by any one of these letters. So I name it as box 1, box 2. So I can say box 1 can be filled in how many ways? This box can be filled by any of these 5 letters. So to fill this box, I have 5 choices. How many choices I have? 5. Repetition is allowed. मतलब again here I can fill any of these 5 letters. Again here I can fill any of these 5 letters. So 5. Therefore, total words, I am filling both the boxes. So fundamental principle of multiplication say answer will be 25. That is 5 into 5. Second case बोला है repetition not allowed. क्या बोला है? Repetition not allowed means I cannot make words S S P P A. मतलब box 1 again same, it can be filled by 5 ways. इन पांचों में से कोई भी लेटर यहां पर आ गया है तो वो लेटर फिर से यहां नहीं आ सकता. Suppose I skip this. So the second box can be filled by how many ways? 4 ways. So box 2 can be filled by 4 ways. Therefore, I will say total words is equal to 20. What will I say? Total words is equal to 20. Clear? Now fourth one of the favorite some of the examiners. How many 3-digit numbers? So when I talk about numbers, units, tens, 100. मुझे 3-digit नंबर बनाना है from 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. From 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. First case, repetition is allowed. तो देखो repetition allowed है मतलब यहां पर 6, 6, 6 हो सकता है, 111 हो सकता है, 3, 3, 3 हो सकता है, 355 भी हो सकता है. Since there is a 0, I will start filling from hundreds place. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, यहां पर 0 नहीं आएगा. यहां पर क्या नहीं आएगा? 0 नहीं आएगा. So hundreds place can be filled by how many numbers? Any one out of 4. This place can be filled by any one out of this 4. So I'll write 4 over here. Tens place repetition allowed है तो यहां पर तो 0 आ सकता है. So out of 5 any one number will come. So there are 5 ways to fill this box. And here also I can say 5 ways to fill the box. Correct? So hundreds place how many ways? 4 ways. Tens place 5 ways. Units place 5 ways because repetition is allowed. Therefore, I can say total numbers. क्या आएगा? तीनों स्पेस फिल करने हैं तो 4 into 5 into 5 that is 100 numbers. कितना आएगा? 100 numbers. Are you getting it? Yes. Now second part in that digits cannot be repeated. That is repetition is not allowed. The second part I am saying repetition is not allowed. So we are talking about a 3-digit number, correct? Units, tens, hundreds, and from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. अब repetition not allowed है. Also from basic we know that 0 cannot come here. So first I'll start filling these numbers. So 100 plates पे 0 नहीं आएगा. So 100 plates को fill करने के लिए how many choices I have? 4 choice. How many choice? 4. Now for tens place 0 आ सकता है, but repetition is not allowed. So assume करो out of these 4, one of them might be filled. Suppose I say 1 is filled. So tens place, how many choices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So tens place can also be filled by 4 ways. Now units place, इन चारों में से कोई तो एक नंबर चला गया होगा. So randomly I'll cut any one. So how many numbers are left? 3. So total numbers by principle of multiplication, repetition allowed नहीं है, तो आएगा 4 into 4 into 3. So 12 fours are, I'll get 48 numbers. How many numbers I'll get? 48 numbers. ठीक है? Now fifth one, again it is same. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if the digits are repeated? Means every number can be repeated. मतलब कोई भी illegal digit नहीं है. So this place can be filled by 5 numbers. Out of 5 anyone. This also has choice of 5 because repetition allowed है. This also has 5. How will you write? Units place can be filled in 5 ways. Tens place in 5 ways. Hundreds place in 5 ways. Therefore, total ways is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125 numbers you will form. How many numbers will form? 125. Now I am modifying this question. In this second part, I want only even numbers. What I want? Only even numbers. And repetition allowed. Even numbers and repetition allowed. Okay? And repetition allowed. उसे अगर मैं even number की बात करता हूं, we know that a number is even if it ends by a table of 2. So अगर even number बनाना है तो मेरा units place जो है it should be either 2, 4 or 6. Out of these 3 only one I have to fill. Out of these 3 only one I will fill. That is 2, 4, 6. That is 3 ways the units place can be filled. इन तीनों में से कोई भी नंबर आया that number will be even. So units place की choice कितनी है? 3 ways. Repetition allowed है. I don't bother what digit is present over here. So out of 5 anyone can come. So 5 ways. Again here out of 5 anyone can come. So even numbers कितने आएंगे? Repetition allowed है तो 5 into 5 into 3. So 75 numbers will be even. So 125 में से 75 even है तो remaining क्या होंगे? Odd. So odd numbers कितने आएंगे? 50. Odd numbers आएगा 125 minus 75, that is 50. Understood? Clear everybody? Okay. Now sixth one, again one of the favorite sum of mine. A letter lock has 3 rings. हमारा letter lock है, उसमें 3 rings है. We have our suitcases have locks. It is passcode, so it is a passcode of 3-letter word. And each ring has 5 letters. हर एक रिंग के पास 5 लेटर का चॉइस है. Each ring has 5 letter का चॉइस. Okay? Means out of 5 any one correct letter will come here. Out of 5 any one correct letter. आउट ऑफ 5 एनी वन करेक्ट, तो ही सूटकेस खुलेगा वरना नहीं खुलेगा. डिटरमाइन द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ, या इट शुड बी डिटरमाइन द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ false trials. The question should be determine the maximum number of false trials. Suppose a thief comes, so how many maximum trials he can make कि lock open नहीं होगा. क्या होगा? Lock open नहीं होगा. We know that number of ways to open lock. कितने possible way में lock खुलेगा? Definitely only one possible way. There's only one way that all three letters will be correct. So एक ही तरीका है ताला खोलने का. Correct. Now, so how many choices in all I can have? So total choices the thief can have, including this one. So thief क्या करेगा? इसके लिए out of these 5 he will select one of the letter. So out of these 5 he will select one of the letter. Again इसमें से भी out of 5 anyone he can select. Again इसमें से out of 5 anyone he can select. So he has 125 methods he can apply till he opens the lock. इस 125 में से एक definitely correct होगा. So I false trials कितना होगा? 125 ways है total, उसमें से एक correct way है. So 124 times he may fail to open the lock. 124 times he may fail to open the lock. Okay.